everyone, today we will see exercises of chapter 11. Let's see question number 1. Put a tick against the sentences that are true and a cross against the ones that are false. I think it is quite similar to true and false, and you all will be able to do it nicely as well. Before doing this question, I want from you all to go through the chapter thoroughly. Now let's see. Oh my god, you all can see a soldier, a fireman. Let's see question number 2. Make 15 sentences. You can see this tiny box. 2 columns are there. You have to make 15 sentences from this. Let's see how. Please tell me when to go. He told me which to buy. I don't know what to say. Please tell me where to put it. So like this you can make 15 sentences. It's very important. You should practice this. Now moving to question number 3. That is, make sentences like the ones below. The way it has been made, you have to make like this. I think it is very easy as well. Let's see how. What shall I do? The answer is I don't know what to do. What shall I say? I don't know what to say. So like this you have to practice. Let's see question number C. What shall I bring? The answer is I don't know what to bring. Let's see question number H. What shall I paint? So the answer will be I don't know what to paint. Let's see question number J. What shall I eat? So the answer will be I don't know what to eat. So like this you all have to practice this. Question number 3. Now moving to question number 4. Make sentences like the ones below. Again we have to go through example, and the way it has been solved, in the same way we have to solve as well. One thing I would like to clear you all, before solving any exercise of any chapter in Active English textbook, always go through the examples given. Before attempting your assignment or your question, please go through examples. Try to figure out how it has been solved. If you will be able to figure out, then it will be very easy for you to do. So let's see example first. When shall I begin? So the answer is please tell me when to begin. When shall I come? Please tell me when to come. Like this you have to practice. Let's see question number D. When shall I leave? So answer will be please tell me when to go home. Or sorry, here it will be, I spoke question number E answer. The answer will be please tell me when to leave. Again I am telling the answer of this question number D. Please tell me when to leave. It's very easy. Let's see question number G. When shall I bring it? So the answer will be please tell me when to bring it. Let's see question number J. When shall I read it? So the answer will be please tell me when to read it. So like this you have to practice, and it's very easy as I think so. Now let's see question number 5. Make sentences like the ones below. Again in this as well we have to go through example, and the way it has been solved, in the same way we will be solving. Let's see example first. where shall I leave it? So the answer will be, please show me where to leave it. Where shall I put the books? So the answer will be, please show me where to put the books. So let's see some questions here. Let's see question number B, because I think it's a bit large. Where shall I put the desks and the chairs? So the answer will be, please show me where to put the desks and the chairs. Again, I am telling the answer of question number B. Please show me where to put the desks and the chairs. Let's see question number E. Where shall I leave the dog? So the answer will be, please show me where to leave the dog. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number E. Please show me where to leave the dog. So like this you all have to practice. I think it's very easy as well. You all can do it nicely.